Building an Inclusive Society, a Journey Towards Unity and Diversity. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very important and relevant topic, an inclusive society. What does it mean, and why is it so crucial in today's world? In this video, we will explore the concept of inclusivity, its benefits, and how we can all contribute to creating a more inclusive environment. Whether you're learning English or simply looking to broaden your understanding of societal concepts, this discussion is for you. Inclusivity refers to the practice of including people who might otherwise be excluded or marginalized. This could include people of different races, genders, ages, abilities, and backgrounds. An inclusive society is one that values all its citizens, recognizing their inherent worth and potential, regardless of their differences. Inclusivity means more than just tolerance. It's about actively seeking to understand and include people who have different experiences and perspectives. It's about making sure that everyone has equal access to opportunities, resources, and the chance to contribute to society. An inclusive society is beneficial for several reasons. First, it promotes equality and fairness, ensuring that everyone has the chance to succeed. It also fosters unity and social cohesion, reducing conflicts and misunderstandings that arise from differences. Moreover, inclusivity leads to diverse perspectives and ideas, which can drive innovation and creativity. When everyone feels valued and included, it enhances overall well-being and happiness within the community. Despite its benefits, achieving an inclusive society is not without challenges. Prejudices, stereotypes, and systemic barriers can all hinder inclusivity efforts. It requires a collective effort to overcome these obstacles, including education, policy changes, and personal commitment to change. Understanding and addressing the root causes of exclusion is crucial. This involves listening to and learning from the experiences of those who have been marginalized. Promoting inclusivity involves several steps. Firstly, educate yourself about different cultures, identities, and experiences. This builds empathy and understanding. Secondly, speak up against discrimination and injustice. Your voice can make a difference in challenging stereotypes and promoting equality. Lastly, practice inclusivity in your daily life. This can be as simple as including people in conversations, supporting inclusive businesses, or advocating for policies that promote equality. Creating an inclusive society is a journey that requires effort, understanding, and commitment from all of us. By embracing our differences and working together, we can build a world that celebrates diversity and offers equal opportunities for everyone. Thank you for watching, and let's all do our part in making our society more inclusive. Remember, every step towards inclusivity is a step towards a better future for all. Let's continue this conversation and spread the message of unity and diversity. See you in the next video.